in two dimension. 2D means only xy plane, okay, ORR YZ plane, ORR ZX plane, okay. Today I discuss relative velocity, okay, in two dimension. Look here now. Here Nana, relative means, in the physics, relative means comparison. Look here now. Once again repeat, what is the relative means? Comparison. Here, two velocities are comparison. This can explain in the manner Ahi Krishna. This is the first body. This is the second body. Here, first body name A, second body name B. Okay? Here, first body velocity VA, second body velocity VB. Okay? First body velocity VA, second body velocity VB. Here, what concept I can explain? Relative velocity. Relative velocity means one body velocity compared to other body velocity. It neatly write as, look here, velocity of body A with respect to B, ORR. Once again I repeat, velocity of A compared to body B. Okay, this is V bar. It neatly write as, here how many bodies are compared? Two bodies. In the physics, comparison means minus. Look here, VB bar. Look here. This is the formula. VAB bar read as, look here, velocity of A, velocity of A compared to B, ORR, velocity of A with respect to B, ORR, velocity of A relative to B. What is the formula? VA bar minus VB bar. Suppose ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు, VBA. దీన్ని ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తారో మీరు చెప్పండి. వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ B compared to A, ORR, velocity of body B with respect to A, ORR, velocity of the B relative to A is equal to, look here, VB bar minus VA bar. This is the formulas for relative velocity. Velocity of A compared to B is equal to VA bar minus VB bar. Nana, to determine, the question is magnitude of relative velocity. Magnitude of relative velocity. Magnitude means both side we apply modulus. Left side it becomes vector, apply modulus, it becomes scalar. Simply VAB. VAB is called magnitude of relative velocity. Right side, look here, right side, look here. According to parallelogram law, under root, look here, VA bar minus VB bar write as. Suppose in the parallelogram P bar minus Q bar unte formula gurtunda under root mujahid P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. మరి ఇది రాయడం చెప్పండి. అండర్ రూట్ VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos theta. Okay, here this is the formula for magnitude of relative velocity. Magnitude of relative velocity. What is the formula for magnitude of relative velocity? Under root VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos theta. ఇక్కడ theta ఏంటి సార్ అంటే యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ VA and VB. Once again, what is the theta meaning? Angle between VA and VB. Okay, relative velocity formula VAB equal to, what is the formula? VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos theta. Okay, I discuss three cases now. The first case is, look here, this is VA body A, this is body B. In the case 1, both the bodies are in the same direction, both the bodies move in the same direction. In the case 2, both bodies move perpendicular to each other. In the case 3, both bodies move in opposite direction. Look the diagram, look the board. Okay, here both the bodies are moving in same direction. Its meaning is theta is angle between VA and VB. Same direction anna, parallel anna, theta value enta 0. Here substitute. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి magnitude of relative velocity, simply it becomes a scalar VAB equal to, డైరెక్ట్ గా రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి, theta 0 cos 0 1. ఓకే, here next formula VA square VB square minus 2VA VB, simply that is called A minus B whole square. Square root cancel. Finally we get VA minus VB. This is the case 1. Both the bodies are moving in same direction. Next here, look here. Here both the bodies are perpendicular to each other. Here look here. According to diagram, theta becomes 90 degrees. Okay, here substitute 90, cos 90 becomes 0. Finally magnitude of relative velocity equal to, here 0 into anything 0. Finally we get VA square plus VB square. Okay, look here. In the final situation, both the bodies are moving in opposite direction. Simply theta becomes 180 degrees. Okay, here substitute cos 180 value minus 1, minus of minus plus, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that write as a plus b whole square root cancel. Finally we get, directly I give va plus vb. రుచిత్ పాపా నువ్వు వింటుంది రైట్ నానా, ఎందుకు అంటే ఇది చూడు, ఇన్ ద రిలేటివ్ మోషన్ లుక్ హియర్, ఇన్ ద రిలేటివ్ మోషన్ లుక్ హియర్, two bodies are moving in same direction. Magnitude of relative velocity formula va minus vb, same direction. What is the magnitude of relative velocity formula? va minus vb. Opposite direction, magnitude of relative velocity formula va plus vb. Reverse nana, general ga anukunnadaki reverse. Once again I repeat, both the bodies are in same direction. Magnitude of relative velocity formula va minus vb. Both the bodies are in opposite direction. Magnitude of relative velocity formula va plus vb. Opposite unte plus, సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఉంటే మధ్యలో ఏమరాయాలి మైనస్. మరి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఉంటే అండర్ రూట్ va స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ vb స్క్వేర్. ప్లీజ్ రైట్. అంబ్రెల్లా కాన్సెప్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ relative motion, rain umbrella concept. This is an important application of relative motion. Look here. The question is, rain falling vertically downwards. Rain falling vertically downwards. Next question. Man moving. Suppose man moving eastward. Look here. Look the question. Rain falling vertically downwards, man moving eastward. We know the map. This is the map, Nana. Look here. This is east, west, north, south. Look the board. East, west, north, south. In the diagram, according to question, rain falling vertically downwards. Look here. This is velocity of rain, vr bar. Look here. Okay. Here man moving eastward. According to diagram, eastward. This is the vm bar. Okay. Here nana, resultant means this is the initial position, this is the final position. Both the vectors are added in the shortest path. Look here. This is called resultant. Simply both vectors are added. Vr bar plus Vm bar. This is the application of relative motion. Relative motion means VAB bar write as VA bar minus VB bar. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది ప్లస్ వచ్చింది అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ రిలేటివ్ మోషన్. ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి మధ్యలో మైనస్ రావాలి. సపోజ్ మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ ఏమన్నాడు వాడు ఈస్ట్ వార్డ్. వీ అజ్యూమ్ ఎందుకు అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ రిలేటివ్ మోషన్. సపోజ్ మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ ఈస్ట్ వార్డ్ అన్నాడు అనుకోండి. సపోజ్ ఐ టేక్ మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ వెస్ట్ వార్డ్. Once again I repeat, suppose man moving eastward, but this is the application of relative motion. మధ్యలో ఏం రావాలి మైనస్. సో man moving eastward means I assume reverse direction. Man moving westward. Eastward అయితే ప్లస్ Vm, westward అయితే మైనస్ Vm. Okay? Look here, Nana. Look here. Nana, this one. First vector final, second vector initial. This is the resultant. Resultant means both are added. Vr bar plus minus Vm bar. Neatly write as here. Vr bar plus into minus minus Vr bar minus Vm bar. Okay? Nana, this is, once again I repeat, this is relative motion. ఇక్కడ relative motion రావాలంటే సపోజ్ మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ ఈస్ట్వర్డ్ నువ్వేం తీసుకోవాలి, మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ వెస్ట్వర్డ్ తీసుకోవాలి. సపోజ్ మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ వెస్ట్వర్డ్ నువ్వేం తీసుకోవాలి, మ్యాన్ మూవింగ్ ఈస్ట్వర్డ్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ తీసుకోవాలి. వాడు ఇచ్చింది ప్లస్ Vm అయితే నీకేమొస్తుంది మైనస్ Vm. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ లుక్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ నాన్న, లుక్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ అగైన్ హైడ్రా. వెస్ట్వర్డ్ అయితే మైనస్ Vm. లుక్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ write neatly Vr bar minus Vm bar. This neatly write as according to physics Vrm bar. Vrm bar called as velocity of rain. Velocity of rain with respect to man. Once again I repeat, Vrm read as velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay? Nana, this is because of man is in motion. This is called appears rain. Actual rain idi. Because of man is in motion, this is the appears rain. This is called apparent rain. This is called what? Apparent rain. This is actual rain. Because of man is in motion, rain appears here. మరి మ్యాన్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి అంటే దేన్ని పట్టుకోవాలన్నా అంబరెల్లా. దిస్ అంబరెల్లా, ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ దిస్ అంబరెల్లా వాట్ యాంగిల్ టు ద వర్టికల్? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. Nana, in the situation, this is what? Theta. ఈ సైడ్ ఆపోజిట్, ఈ సైడ్ అడ్జసెంట్, ఈ సైడ్ హైపోటెనస్. tan theta means, tan theta definition, opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? Minus Vm bar. What is the adjacent side? Vr bar. Both sides we have to apply modulus because to determine angle. What is the final formula for tan theta? Tan theta equal to Vm by Vr. Here what is the theta? Theta means angle made by the umbrella to the vertical because to protect the man from rain. Okay? This is the formula for tan theta. Theta అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పాలి, యాంగిల్ మేడ్ బై umbrella to the vertical. అప్పుడప్పుడు సైన్ థీటా అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, డయాగ్రామ్ చూడండి. సైన్ థీటా మీరే చెప్పండి. సైన్ అంటే ఏ సైడ్ బై ఏ సైడ్? ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ బై హైపోటెనస్ సైడ్. ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ మైనస్ Vm బార్, hypotenuse side Vrm bar. Both sides we have to apply modulus. Finally we get Vm by Vrm. Okay? What is the cos theta? Look the diagram nana. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Simply neatly write as Vr by Vrm. According to data, we use the formula. More times we apply only tan theta. Okay. Here Vm indicate velocity of the man. Vr indicate actual velocity of the rain. Vrm indicate velocity of rain with respect to man. This is also called as appears rain. Endukala some angle to bend. Because of man is in motion, rain appears some angle. Rain appears fall, make some angle to the vertical. Okay. These formulas are very useful to solve the problems. Suppose man moving west, vela this called man moving east. Suppose man moving east, vela this called man moving west. Okay. Next, Nana, write down our formula. Vr bar write as Vr bar minus Vm bar. Here, to determine magnitude of relative velocity. Magnitude means both sides we apply modulus. Here, to determine magnitude of relative velocity, OR magnitude of velocity of rain with respect to man, OR magnitude of velocity, magnitude of apparent rain. To determine both sides we have to apply modulus. Modulus apply, it becomes a scalar Vrm. According to parallelogram law, P bar minus Q bar write as Vr square plus Vm square minus 2 Vm cos theta. Look here. Vrm minus Vm under root Vr square plus Vm square minus 2 Vm cos theta. According to diagram, theta is angle between Vr and Vm. What is the angle? 90 degrees. Here write 90 degrees. Theta is angle between P and Q, OR Vr and Vm. Theta 90, cos 90, 0. What is the magnitude of velocity of rain with respect to man? The formula is Vr square plus Vm square. This is the formula for velocity of rain with respect to man.